My name is Asif Umer. Our today's activity is teabag rocket activity, in which we are going to learn about what is convection current and how a hot air balloon works. For this required things are teabag, lighter, scissors and a ceramic plate. Cut the top of the bag to remove the staple. Pour the tea leaves onto the plate. Make the tea bag into cylindrical shape. Stand the tea bag on the table. Light the tea bag at the top and watch the fire burn downward. 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. Oh! Now with 4 tea bag empty cylinders, warm air rises and cold air sinks. Convection current. Hot air balloon also work with the same principle.